Hey guys, welcome back to LivTasty. On this episode, I'll be showing you how to make this super easy stir fry and garlic sauce from scratch. First, we're going to start by chopping our vegetables, and this is great for meal prep, so I can go ahead and put some of these in Ziploc bags and just put them in the frying pan for later use. How perfect! Next, we're going to get started on our garlic sauce. So I'm going to mince up some garlic and I'm just going to saute that for about 2 minutes until it's fragrant in some olive oil. Then we're going to add some light soy sauce, also some water to take away from the saltiness, and we're also going to add some rice vinegar. Now, measurements for everything will be in the description. I like to use brown sugar in my recipe. I've seen people use honey, but I like brown sugar better. Then I'm gonna just drizzle this sauce with some sesame oil. This will really heighten the flavor and give it an authentic brown sauce / garlic sauce taste. I love this recipe because it comes together so quickly. Like, you literally just mix everything together and you have the sauce. Next, we're gonna add some crushed red pepper. This is going to give it a little bit of spice, which when I go to the Chinese store and I ask for garlic sauce, I feel like that's what they do. They add garlic and crushed red pepper. Then I'm just going to mix up some cornstarch and some water. This is called adding a slurry to the sauce. This is going to thicken it slightly. Then we're just going to stir to combine and let it come to a boil. This is coming together so quickly. The last ingredient I'm going to add is a little bit of ground ginger. This gives it an extra spice and just unique flavor. When you're making the sauce, it's very important that when you pour in the slurry, that you have to whisk it in at the same time. Like, you can't pour it all in one spot or else you're gonna end up with clumps. And look how silky smooth this sauce is, guys. Let's get started on our chicken. So I'm gonna be using chicken breast that I just seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna fry that for about 3 minutes per side until it's fully cooked. The key to cooking a great chicken breast is how long you cook it for and really locking in those juices. So as you can see while it's cooking, I'm not like poking it or anything like that. I'm just gonna take it out after it's been 3 minutes per side, and I'm gonna let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing it. So after I'm done cooking my chicken breast, I'm just gonna throw in my stir-fried vegetables. This is super simple, and I'm gonna add in some minced garlic. I'm also going to add just a dab of water, I would say about a tablespoon. This is going to help the vegetables steam, but not be like really soft and overcooked. So I'm gonna steam those for about 2 minutes with the lid on. And you can already see how beautiful this is. Like, the vegetables has become a brighter color, and I'm just ready to throw in my chicken. But first, let me show you guys how juicy this chicken breast is. Oh my goodness. So all I've did is chopped it into like bite-sized pieces, and I'm just going to throw all of that right into my stir-fry vegetables. And to finish it off, we're just gonna pour on that good garlic sauce. Oh my goodness. This smells so amazing. It's so garlicky and so, like, you can smell the spices. And I love this sauce because I literally, guys, gone through so much trial and error trying to find like the right measurements for everything. So I really hope you try this recipe because it is literally amazing, and it will just, I'm telling you, heighten any stir fry that you make at home. Like, you will think it's from the Chinese restaurant. And of course, we have to have the white steamed jasmine rice. Like, we only use jasmine rice. By the way, if you don't know how to cook white jasmine rice, I do have a link in the description for that video. So go ahead and plate this all up, and then we're going to top it with some sesame seeds and some chopsticks, and we are good to go. Please let me know if you try this recipe. It's super simple. Anyone can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.